today is Friday. Happy Friday to everyone. And today I'm going for Terminator. Yes, Terminator is back. Arnold is back with a new movie. So I'll be going and watching it today at Phoenix in some time. Now it's afternoon because there was no morning show. There was too early morning show out there. So I was waiting, and now I got the show which is at 2:33. So I'll be going and watching that show. So I'll keep you guys updated, and you guys take care and keep watching my channel, and I'll see you soon. Take care. So friends, let's hope the movie goes well. I'm just down my building and I'm waiting for the cab. So the cab will be arriving in some time, and then I'll be leaving towards Phoenix. I hope the movie goes well today, and I hope for some good action from the movie and from Arnold. Let's hope the movie is good. So I'll see you soon, guys. I'm just waiting for the cab right now. Hey friends, I got the cab, and just on the way to Phoenix. I'll be picking up Sanju on the way, and then we'll be heading towards Phoenix. And yes, we are eagerly, and we are too much excited because from last month we'll be watching the trailers of the movie, and we are very much excited, and we have good expectation from the movie. So let's hope, and it's gonna be a good movie. So let's see how the movie goes, but I'm damn sure it's gonna be a hit, and yes, it's gonna be a blockbuster hit. So let's see how it goes, and let's hope for the best. So I'll see you guys when I'll meet Sanju. You guys take it till that time, and I'll see you soon. So hi friends, Sanju is here, and now we are on the way to Phoenix to watch the Dark Fate Terminator. Let's hope the movie goes well, and we are hoping that we get some good action from Arnold, the great person, the great man, the legend. Let's see, and let's hope.
In progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you.
Finally we have reached Phoenix, and just moving towards the theater. So exactly in another 10 minutes the movie is gonna start, and excited, too much of excitement. Let's hope it goes well, all well, and I'll see you guys.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life. My life.
Friends, so the first half is over, and it was pretty much good and too much of action, and really loved it. So it's an interval time, so we'll be going for the second half after some time. So we're just gonna grab some snacks and then gonna go back and watch the second half. So it's amazing. It's an amazing movie. You guys should come and watch it. And I give like 2.5, 3 star for the movie. So I'll see you soon after the second half. So you guys take care, and I'll see you soon. So hi friends, we are back and the movie is over, and we are very much happy from all the characters and all the actors who have played their role very well in the movie. Arnold, you know, the character who's always going to be in Terminator. Yes, he has played his role very well. I love the movie and I give the movie 3 star. So I want you guys to come and watch it. It's an amazing movie and good action. But yeah, in second half there was too much of action which was in darkness, which should have been in the daylight or something. But it's okay. But we like the movie overall, and I give 3 star from my side. So I'll ask my friend Sanju, and I'll ask him what did he like in the movie, and how much star he would like to give. So Sanju, tell me.
Yeah, it was an average movie for me. I give 3.5 stars to the movie.
Okay.
And like always you was like
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Acting was great.
Yes.
After this age also, he's like
He's acting, yeah. Arnold, after reaching 16 years, he's been doing good movies. And yes, this movie, as his old trademark, he has done a very good job in the movie, and we really loved it. And action was amazing. Everything was very good. And I give 3 stars, and you give 3.5 stars. So guys, we'll see you soon in our next vlog. You guys take it till that time, and I'll see you soon. Take care and love to all. Take care.